Tang. Listen to my 9mm go bang. Death of Fat Joe, birth of Cook. Sing to him, nigga. Definition of a dog. Jealous one still envy. Yeah, it's 05 and we ride. We still ride. Touch the town, any town. City Guard in the hood. Dade County, PX, wherever. Can you hear that? Niggas, that's the winds of change blowing through your city, here comes the pain. They say the more things change, the more stay the same. So I grip on that same 9 I held in 88. My mama asking, she up the block frantic. Cops combing the streets harassing. But little did they know that I was on that Greyhound watching white turn green. Renegades, we don't wait till the light turn green. We just break the rules and live a life obscene. I've been cracked way before the shit hits the scene. You couldn't even imagine what my eyes done seen. But now it's, I'm a thug, I'm a killer, I'm a drug dealer, nigga from the hood. God damn it, I'm good, I'm out. I swear after this disc I will quit. Pun if you're listening, God, you truly been missed. Yeah. All my niggas locked down. All my nigga BX niggas, we ride. Some old foe with no fire. The guard that ran off and retired. No lean back, New York anthems. No rappers, these ladies can call handsome. Me, I'm just dancing, velvet lapel. In the phantom slow rolling, watching Dave Chappelle. I blow smoke now, the stress that got me. Running in the sand like a scene from Rocky. I'm trying to find myself. It's hard when you the only one supplying the wealth. And if I fall off, who can I ask for help? Not a damn soul, my mind is out of control. It's like the Hammer story stands out. Can't walk through the Bronx cause every motherfucker got his fucking hands out. Every day somebody new supposed to blast me. Change my phone number, got everybody asking. That's who I be, I'm still running the Carter. That's how we eat, niggas. Don't even bother, cause that's when we meet. In the middle of the projects, clapping them heat. There's never been a rap with this credible as Joe. Drop the incredible, I'm better with the flow. And everybody's asking, where did he go? Real simple, stop asking for Joe, it's Cook, go. Yeah. Cook, motherfucker, Cook. BX Gun, niggas. Yeah. Cool and Drake, DJ Khaled, LB Street Runner. Peace to the money man. Macho. Chigga Brown, JB, Raul, DJ Serge. Kato, rest in peace. Chi-Town, stand the fuck up. Holla. My nigga Mac Dime on the West Coast, my nigga Wavy. All my Chicanos, all my Vatos Locos out there reppin' the Browns, the homie Cartoon, Mexico, yeah. this time it's 10 mil. Supply the segal, ship 5 and then bill. And I'm Joe Crack BX finest. Do rewind this, terror squads behind us. I got the streets on smash. Niggas on the corner watching me roll past. The bitches they all gassing.
Once again, back is the incredible,
I got the heat on blast. Legacy's reclining on that mean G4. Cause down in New York they saying
once again, back is the incredible,
Dope man, I got that cook man. Brother Joe man, the king of the streets. TS, we incredibly credible. Like Stunt said, it was inevitable. The metal was gon' bump heads. And you know that K go shot. In broad day, right in front of the one-stop shop. I'm from Misery Boulevard, right across the street from my Hope You Die place. In school, studied the crime rate. That's when it became apparent to me that the pimps and hustlers would be apparent to me. I plead, innocent, Your Honor. I'm just a product of the streets, product of some beat, product of that Depathon money 3-piece. Problem is when I win, my team eats. But wait, just think the opposite of that. You be staring down the opposite side of them gas. I got the streets on smash. Niggas on the corner watching me roll past. The bitches they all gassing.
once again, back is the incredible,
I got the heat on blast. Legacy's reclining on that mean G4. Cause down in New York they saying
once again, back is the incredible,
Now have you ever felt the metal to your melanin just cock back? Ask for the money and drugs and you ain't got that. Where the cops at, praying that they coming. Just a few seconds your brains be laying on your stomach. On my waist you know I gotta keep that oven. For your gingerbread pies, niggas the heat's running on high. Joe Crack I bake the cake and serve your niggas humble pie. I got the streets on smash. Niggas on the corner watching me roll past. The bitches they all gassing.
once again, back is the incredible,
I got the heat on blast. Legacy's reclining on that mean G4. Cause down in New York they saying
once again, back is the incredible,
yeah.
once again,
Just blaze, you a rebel on this beat, nigga.
Once again, back.
Cool as Dre, LB, Street Runner, beating on the game. New York.
Again, back is the incredible.
This is. Yes.
Good. Cool as Dre. Ain't nobody seeing this right here. We see nobody. I know you came to party, so get up on your feet. God just stepped in, Kelly. Yeah, baby, just trick that body. Yeah. Sing along with me, come on. I know you've been searching for someone who will satisfy you and give you so much more. Caution when my lip just twitch to one side. We don't bitch, we don't snitch, we stick and just ride and out. Never gave a fuck about po-po. Niggas so gangsta making songs about my fofo. My mama fofo. It gets worse, keep a shit when I visit the church. I'm down with TD Jakes and Kirk Franklin. Better have my offering plate filled with Franklin's blasphemy. I got niggas that are blasting me. Ribs touching and they asking me, crack, nigga, show me where the safe at. I'll lay him down with the Mac, leave him face flat. Listen, you don't wanna start no drama. We don't scrap when it's problems, we just clap and revolve them. Get it cooked, let it go, head him up, sip him up. Didn't know, better know now. I know you came to party, so get up on your feet. Yeah, baby, just truck that body, yeah. Sing along with me, come on. I know you've been searching for someone who satisfies you and gives you so much more. Up and passing the Hilton Suite, crushing past if the chick take me, I'll probably win an Oscar. Didn't know this dick 10 feet. You need a ladder just to sit on me. Cut. In the ring screaming Viva Tito with Donkey Madison Square Marina People. Pull mommy to the side, she feeling yeah, like gusta la gasolina. Now how many bricks does it take to marble out a 36 room estate? Follow me out from Philly where they eat cheesesteaks. In the red belly, call a bitch V8. Yeah, it's your cribs, for real. They even want the kids at school that coke kills crack. And that's for sure, so you should know how the shit gon' go. Follow me, come on. I know you came to party, so get up on your feet. Come on, now. Yeah, baby, just truck that body, yeah. Sing along with me, come on. I know you've been searching for someone who satisfies you and gives you so much more. Hold up, wait a minute. The start ain't bubbling if Cook ain't in it. Crack, yeah. And we don't see nobody make your hair stand up like a grown-up Gotti. Hit lyrics every time it come out, nigga. Use your fist before you come out your mouth. The way I'm stacking white these days, looking like a chick to go with Flavor Flav. And I'm so real. Niggas wanna kill the dawn. Front of my house, probably with my son in my arms, but I drop him like it's hot. Pass him a Glock, my little shorties chip off the old block. Go against coke, let him show. I give you 10 ways, kill off the whole block, nigga. I know you came to party, so get up on your feet. Come on, yeah, baby, just truck that body, yeah. Sing along with me, come on. I know you've been searching for someone who satisfies you and gives you so much more. I know you came to party, so get up on your feet. That's right. Come on.